Hi Year 6 and welcome to your maths homework answers. Today I'm going through fraction multiplication questions 7 to 12. So let's have a look together. Okay, first one then, 2/5 times 10. Now we had some of these in the last one. We're just multiplying the numerator by 10 and leaving the denominator the same, and then we can transfer it back into mixed. So if I had 2/5, 10 lots of that would be 20/5. Now 20/5 is absolutely the right answer, but you can change that back into a mixed number by seeing how many wholes you've got. 5 goes into 20 exactly, so you've actually got 4 wholes and none left over. So either answer is absolutely correct. 6/11 times 3/4. Now remember, when you've got two fractions, you're multiplying across the numerator and then across the denominator. So 6 times 3 is 18. And 11 times 4 is 44. Again, that answer is absolutely right, but you can simplify it. Both of these numbers are even, and therefore you can divide them both by 2. So we would simplify this as 9 over 22. Again, whichever answer you've put, they are both right. Okay, 24 times 1 1/3. So let's take that mixed number and change it into an improper fraction. We remind ourselves how to do that. We think about how many thirds would be in one whole, 3/3, and then add that extra one. So 4/3. Oops. And then times 24 by 4. So 24 times 4 is 96. 96 over 3. Again, 96 over 3 is completely right, but also 3 will go exactly into 96, so it will make 32 wholes. Okay, 2 1/5 times 10. So let's make it into an improper fraction. Two wholes will be 10 and 1 11. 11 over 5. Now, you might have used a different method here, and I'll explain a different method in a moment because either are right. As long as you're getting the right answer the way you're doing it, that's fine. So turn the mixed number into an improper fraction. Then 11 times 10 is 110 over 5. Again, absolutely right, but we can convert it to a mixed number and it will go exactly. So how many 5s are there in 110? There are 22. Now the other way that you might have done that is by doing 2, you could do 2 times 10 is 20, and 1/5 times 10 is 10/5, which makes another 22. That would be a fine way of working it out also. I'm going to do my mixed number to improper fraction again for this one. So 4 wholes, 4 would be 16/4 and 3, that's 19/4. And then I'm going to times that by 12. So 19 times 12 would be 100. Times 10 would be 190. Times 2 is 38. So 228. 228 over 4. Again, that's absolutely right as an answer, but 4 does go into 228, so it's going to go in 57 times. Okay, again, you could have done 12 times 4 is 48 and then done the 12 times 3/4. Either way should get you to the same answer. Last one then, 28 times 1 2/3. So 1 whole is 3/3 and the other 2 is 5/3. Oops, that was a very dodgy 3, sorry. 28 times 5 would be 140. Over 3. Whoops. And then again, I can divide that. So it would go in 4 56 and 2/3. Okay, hopefully you got all of those right. For tonight, let's do the fraction division questions. There are 6, and that will end our fraction calculation unit. Come back for the answers tomorrow.